How to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. First, go to your browser. Search Wise Uninstaller. Click on the official website. Download it. Now open and install it. Launch the program. After opening it, find Microsoft Edge from the list and then click on it. Click on Force Uninstall. Click Yes to confirm. Click Select All. Then click on Remove. Click OK. Now go to the Metro App section. Find Edge. Click on it. Then click on Save Uninstall. After that, close all the program. Then make a restart. And that's how you can remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.